To get to the discussion forum, simply scroll to a lecture or poster in the program and click on it. In the detailed view of the lecture or poster, you find the Go to Discussion thread button. All threads are also accessible through the Channels button on top. Within a thread, just scroll to the bottom and contact the author. By hitting the Post button, you make your question available to everyone visiting the thread. Each discussion thread has its own video conference room. Just hit the video conference button on top to join it. You can have one-on-one video chats or invite further people to join you. In addition to the video chat, you can also share your screen with the participants.